Okay, so we created the three columns or inserted the three columns, and then we are supposed to round up the values in the original values of what base n, what base r, and then that of u. Now, but we are having the same error that we had earlier, and I think that we are very familiar with what we did. So I will undo this. I will undo the autofill that I did so I can correct my formulas, and then I will autofill again. So let me go back just one step here where I have these formulas, and then I'm going to introduce my if error over here. So I put the if error is there. I choose it, then I bring the comma here, then I say insert what? Null. If the statement written there is not true, or if there is an error, rather. And then from here I can close my bracket. Are we done? Oh, sorry, no. Yes. Then I can now close my bracket. Beautiful. And then enter. We have it. Let me do the same thing to the next one also. We have if error, select, and then comma, quotation marks, no, close the quotation, and then close the bracket, enter. Do the same thing here. We have if error is here. Okay, comma space. We have null here. Then close the bracket. Boom. Okay, so here we are. We have all the three ready. Now let me select these three cells here. Selected. Now I can use the fill handle to fill it, and then you can see the errors are gone. So this is it. We have our rounded values as we are asked to do for all of it. Beautiful. So we'll go back and look at the instructions, what we are asked to do again, and then come back and do just that. We do this hand in hand with the slides. So once you don't read the slide, you will not get the instruction to know what next for you to do. So let's go and see.